But yeah, it's going to get cooler out there, guys. But I first want to talk about what's going on in the tropics, because this is going to be headline news here as we get towards the weekend. For Texas, 20 to 30 inches of rain is on the way, thanks to Tropical Storm Harvey there right now. Not so much of an issue at the time because it's sitting in the middle of the Gulf of Mexico, not impacting anybody, but it's sitting over an area of very warm waters, low wind shear, and that's going to help it strengthen. I think this is conservative, saying it's only going to be a Category 1 hurricane by the time it makes landfall near Corpus Christi. I bet it will be stronger than that, so we're not only going to have to deal with the winds, but a whole lot of rain, because once it hits the coast, it sits there for days on end, just dumping loads of rain. Showing much more organization this morning. You see in the last few images there, a lot of white-topped clouds. Those are higher convective clouds, thunderstorms around the center of that system there as it continues to strengthen and track ever so slowly off to the north and west. One forecast model here, and this is the one showing the least amount of rain. 20 to 30 inches, not only in certain spots in the Texas coastline, but pretty much the entire Gulf Coast of Texas getting feet of rain by the time all is said and done there. Here, we're done with our rain for now. In fact, the next several days will be dry as a bone here across Hampton Roads. We picked up 1 to 3 inches yesterday with that cold front that rolled on through here, and now it will deliver. Beautiful stretch of weather for us. That includes the weekend. 10 out of 10 weather-wise there, with sunshine, lower humidity, and cooler temperatures as well. Live radar out there right now, with the exception of far to the south, a few isolated sprinkles, and even down over towards Back Bay, maybe a sprinkle making it towards the ground there. That's the last of it as the front has sagged to the south and southeast. Right now it's stalled over southern parts of North Carolina, but with a strong area of high pressure building in over New England, that's going to push all of that out of here and get those clouds out of here and bring back some sunshine for the next several days here. Temperature-wise, with the wind shifting out of the northeast now, we're dropping into the 60s in some areas right now. Everywhere else, around 71 in Newport News, 71 in Smithfield, 72 Williamsburg, 71 Moyock, and 74 in Edenton. We're also watching the dew points starting to fall back now into the mid-60s in the eastern shore, and eventually these numbers end up in the upper 50s and low 60s. So that means great sleeping weather, and even during the daylight hours, you can open up those windows and air out the house and give the air conditioners a bit of a break. Here's how it looks on FutureCast. Clouds giving way to increasing sunshine today as that big bubble of high pressure builds on in and strengthens, and that provides us a really nice afternoon here across Hampton Roads. And even tonight we'll fall back into the 60s. Great sleeping weather begins tonight and lasts right through the upcoming weekend. Temperature wise in the afternoon, look at by Saturday and Sunday, highs only in the upper 70s, and that spills over into next week, so well below average for this time of the year. 82 today. That morning shower well to the south with gradual clearing out there for everybody. Tonight we drop back to 67, mostly clear with great sleeping weather. And here's a look at the weekend. 79 on Saturday, 78 on Sunday. Both days really, really nice to be outside with comfortable humidity values. Even on the other side of the weekend, despite a few more clouds and an isolated shower risk, we're looking good and staying below average in the middle of next week.